Here's Richard, he's bringing one in. He's got a big old...
Have you ever been dancing down to New Orleans? Or ever been dancing near the bayou streams? Or ever been dancing up in Ohio? Have you ever been dancing down in Amarillo? If you ain't been dancing, come on dancing with me.
Richard,
Well, what you gonna do? No, don't
see
sit
it,
down
Cortez.
right now.
Bahai Kino, Mexico.
Solo aquí. Down the back. And to pressure aquí. Or continue on the hueso. So you run along the bone. And you run along the one and you keep pulling it. Keep pulling it right along that bone line.
Bueno. Bueno.
Same thing, but you start from the tail this time, huh? Because it's right-handed, I guess. You know what I mean?
Momento. So why not up in there?
Ah, there's a bone
Ah,
right there.
see. Bueno. Okay.
Westwood's bone.
There's a bone, that's why you can't. Okay. So you could actually trim more out of there if you wanted to. But here we just do it in big,
Run
nice
around
pieces.
But he's right-handed, so he's starting from the tail on this side. See that?
Ah, okay. Bueno.
Okay.
Okay, heads are done.
No more.
Okay, now let's do the fillet. Sí. No, no, no. Aquí. Sí, sí. Okay, she's trim. Okay, here's part two. Part two, doing the fillet of the yellowtail. So they've already trimmed off the fin on the outside. Made a nice line. We just switched out
Dad for son.
dad for son. Okay, and now he holds the end of it there.
Y qué pressure? Aquí.
He's putting downward pressure on the middle as much as they can.
Solo.
Yeah,
So work it back and forth.
yeah. Now, the next step is to take out that middle red section. Sort of like a spine section. Very bloody. Not very good to eat. And there's a bone that runs down there too. So he's cutting that off and out. Making sure that's all off, so we just have the light pink meat or white meat that's being shown on this yellowtail. Okay, and there's your fillets. Done. That's how you do it. Sometimes you'll have to trim the excess off of a fillet like he's doing here. He didn't quite get a good cut, so he's just cutting off all that excess so you have a real nice fillet without any crap on it.
Now we'll do the Cotton Eye Joe. Kick your heels, baby, turn around. Here I am to lift you up and down. We'll do the East Coast, West Coast, swing right now. We're burning up the floor and it's a one-horse town. Have you ever been dancing in Bremerton Wall? Have you ever been dancing in the Capitol Mall? Ever been dancing Arizona? Hey, have you ever been dancing Minnesota? Say, if you ain't been dancing, come on dancing with me. Whoa, keep on dancing. One more lead, and we won't be standing here. dancing near the bayou streams? Ever been dancing up in Ohio? Have you ever been dancing down in Amarillo? If you ain't been dancing, come on dancing with me. If you ain't been dancing, come on dancing with me. If you ain't been dancing, come on dancing with me.